Welcome to Sometime 5. Today we're working with page 11. And today's lesson is all about circles and definitions. You know that the distance around a square, a triangle or a rectangle is called the perimeter, the distance round the outside. Now the distance around the outside of a circle is called the circumference. The distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference is called the radius. The distance across the circle through the center is called the diameter. So we have circumference all the way around, radius from the center to the circumference, and diameter, the distance across the circle through the center. The radius is always half the diameter, and the diameter is always twice as long as the radius. Let's look at squares again. You know that we calculate the perimeter of a square or rectangle by adding the lengths of all four sides. So in this figure, the lengths are 4, 1, 4 and 1, making 10. In this figure, they're 1, 1, 1 and 1, making 4. When we calculate the area of a rectangle, we multiply one long side by one short side. So in this figure, the area is 4 times 1, 4 square inches, or 4 square miles, or 4 square centimeters. We calculate the area of a square by multiplying any two sides, because in a square all the sides are the same. Now when we want to work with circles, it's a little different. We use something called pi, and pi looks like this. The definition of pi is the circumference of a circle over the diameter of that circle equals pi. So the circumference divided by the diameter of the same circle equals pi. Now it makes no difference which circle you use, a big circle, a small circle, a medium-sized circle, the answer is always the same, pi. So if you divide the circumference of a circle by the diameter of that circle, the answer will always be the same, pi. Nobody has ever completed this calculation. As far as we know, it's a number without end and without any regular pattern. Pi, for example, looks like this: 3.141592653589799, and so on and so on and so on, and nobody has ever completed the calculation. So usually we say that pi is 3.142. Some people express it as a fraction 22/7. We'll come back to that another time.